Okay, so we're in the car, and we're heading to the Dollar Tree, and then after that, we're going to... First thing I wanted to show you are these sponge holders. I think these are really cute. These splatter guards are actually great for a DIY that I have. These muffin tins make a great DIY for a chalk paint. These mini tea lights, I have a DIY that I want to show you. Also for the DIY, you'll also need a pot pan. The silverware trays are actually good for the bathroom for your toothbrushes and toothpaste. This square wreath form would make a really cute DIY. This is something new I've seen here at the Dollar Tree, and it's a all about me, and this picture frame too would both make great baby shower gifts. These candle holders are something different and cute as well. Something I love at the Dollar Tree is their flip-flops, and they are great for the pool and swim. These vases are great too. I love their vase selection. These jars are great to hold food like rice and that. And I love their oil and vinegar containers because they're plastic and don't. This here is a great deal. They're $1 at the Dollar Tree, but at Walmart they are $3 something. Here's another name brand product they have that is a great deal. Another great item they have is their scrub brushes. I also love their name brand Lysol Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. If you can't find the Lysol, the Lime Away is a good one too, and I love their Tidy Bowl. They got new dustpans in, and they are huge. Their dishwashing detergent is great to clean oven racks with in your bathtub. Hey guys, so I'm back home relaxing, and I actually recently have restarted reading the Harry Potter series, and I'm finally on the last book again. So I'm just gonna relax for a bit and go from there. So I wanted to show you what we've been working on in the boys' bathroom. We still need a sink and a bathtub though. So I couldn't go to the Dollar Tree without showing you what I got. So I'm also going to do a little mini haul and show you what I picked up while I was there. Okay, so I did get a pie pan. And after I show you these couple of things, I'm going to insert a picture of how it turned out. But I have outside planter urns. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pie pan inside the urn, and then I picked up 3 of the mini little heat lights, and I'm going to put them in the pie pan, and remember it's going to be in the urn, and I just turned it into a little fire pit. And like I said, I'm inserting the pictures here of how it turned out. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is the sponge holder, and I want to put this on my sink and keep that Scrub Daddy sponge that I showed you in my past video in this. Then I picked Dan up this Power Stick beard wash for his beard. And I got the oil vinaigrette bottle, but I'm not going to use this for oil or vinegar. I actually am going to use this for hand soap at my kitchen sink, so it kind of gives us a pretty look to it. And then I also found name brand Energizer batteries there for $1. So I picked up a few of them. I always use batteries. And I also picked up a scrubby brush. And I got the dishwasher detergent. Like I said earlier, this is great for cleaning your oven racks in your bathtub. And I also got the Lysol Power Clean. Like I said, either this or the Lime Away. Those are the two best toilet bowl cleaners I have found. And I also got 2 of the tidy bowls, one for each of the bathrooms. And I picked up the square wreath form. I'm actually going to save this. I have a fall project I'm going to work on with this. So I'm planning on doing a video, a DIY video with you guys. So if you want to get one of these when you see them, go ahead and we can do the project together. And then the last thing I got is I got my son another pair of flip-flops. Always comes in handy. So that's everything I got.